Hey, this is Mark, and I want to show you how to use Simpleology projects as a super fast and easy content production platform to get your stuff in the new Simpleology project marketplace. So Simpleology Projects is not just the best project management tool in the world anymore. It's now also a revolutionary publishing platform using our patent-pending direct-to-medium publishing technology. Your Simpleology project can be anything you want, from business processes to plans for throwing a dinner party. Just remember that the difference between a Simpleology project and a book or a course is that a Simpleology project is an actionable plan and not just a bunch of random content. I'll show you in a second the key features that make the biggest difference. So let's get started. It's super easy, but there are a few things you should know. Go to Projects, then click on the Add Project button. The first thing you'll see is a dialog where you can edit the name of your Simpleology project and change the workflow columns. I won't get too much into it here since right now you want to learn about content production, but just know this is totally customizable to fit almost any workflow imaginable. For now, I'm just going to leave it on the default, and most of the time you'll want to as well. Now let's take a look at the card wall. Cards can be broken down any way you see fit: days, phases, steps, whatever you like. Just remember that Simpleology projects are best when they're systematic or process-based. If you're watching this video, you've probably read the cartoon called What is a Simpleology Project? Right here, it explains the secret sauce that makes the Simpleology project marketplace such a revolutionary shift in publishing. Remember, this is a project, a plan, a system, a process, not just a bunch of random content. This is something someone can actually use and start delegating from the moment they purchase it. And of course, your Simpleology project that purchased in the Simpleology project marketplace is totally integrated into their Simpleology account as if it were a Simpleology project they started for themselves. Isn't that cool? A lot of great stuff is going to start happening a lot faster. Okay, let's take a look at one of these cards. This is where the action happens. Just click the number on any card to drill down. Cards consist of a free-form description block, file attachments, tasks. Now, this is probably the most important part of a card in that that's where all of the specific action occurs, and a full-featured threaded commenting system where those who purchase your Simpleology project can discuss it with their team as they work on it. Now I can double click on the description section and you'll see a WYSIWYG editor here where you can format text any way you like. You can add images, you can embed videos, you can add tables. It's all here. Attachments are pretty self-explanatory. If you want to provide your users some files that will help them accomplish the goal of your Simpleology project, you can upload them right from your computer. Now here's where it gets fun. You can add tasks with just a couple of keystrokes right here. And if you like, you can add subtasks or comments to any task. And your users can simply delegate these tasks to someone they're working with or to themselves so they can immediately get to work without having to create a plan for themselves. When you've completed all of your cards and you're ready to publish, just click the publish button and follow our simple walkthrough instructions. That's it. You'll be up and running in the marketplace within 48 hours. You get 70% of the sale price of every single one of your Simpleology projects sold, and we pay out weekly after a fraud prevention window. Finally, I just want to remind you this whole thing exists in the context of the entire Simpleology system. That's what really makes it awesome. Taking action on the Simpleology project you published happens within the context of Start My Day, of daily targets, and everything else that makes Simpleology unique and trusted by now over 1 million users, including Fortune 500s and branches of the US government.